Hey guys, how's it going? I haven't seen you in about a month now, so I thought I would get on here and create this day in the life video. Just kind of catch up a little bit. And yeah, we've just been really busy. And all of a sudden, a month went by. I don't really know where the time goes sometimes. Like, does anybody else feel this way or is it just me? Crazy, crazy. I can't believe it's almost Thanksgiving in a couple days and Christmas will be right around the corner. This year has really just flown by too quickly. Please tell me I'm not alone. Wouldn't it be great if we could just kind of slow time down just a little bit? I think that'd be great. Anyways, let's get into today's video. Today I am just kind of having a slow day, catching up with some laundry, doing some dishes. I'm going to be making a broccoli potato soup at the end, so stick around for that. Otherwise, I'm just going to take you along with me as I do these few things. I'm going to make some coffee. We're just going to hang out and feel free to clean along with me. It's sometimes nice to do it with another person. So let's just put some music on and clean together. Let's get going on this video and I'll chat back with you when we walk through the dinner tonight. going to go ahead and step into the office, get my desk straightened up a little bit, get some work done, open my planner, get the planner going for the day, seeing what I have to do for the rest of the day and for the rest of the week. And then after that, I'm going to work for a little bit and we will catch up back in the kitchen for dinner. Okay, like I mentioned before, we are going to be making a broccoli potato soup. Comes together pretty easy, pretty quick, and you can make it vegan style if you like. This is semi-vegan. Actually, it is, I think I did turn it to a vegan because I had vegetable broth. Anyways, I'll go ahead and put some oil down and I'm going to chop up these onions and I'm going to get those cooking in the pan. And yes, I'm going to take you through the whole little process. I'm trying to speed it up for you so that, you don't have to see every little detail. But I'm also going to chop up the celery. I like to chop mine in little pieces. I don't mind. I like celery. I just don't like to have, excuse me. I just don't like having huge pieces of celery when I'm eating. I don't know, something about it. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get all those in there, continue chopping up the celery and get it cooking. And I think I'm cooking those just until they're like translucent and soft before I add in the other ingredients. But first, I'm going to go ahead and take some fresh garlic and I'm going to press it into this little jar. That's not a jar. Dish. It's a glass dish. Clean up a little bit in between. I'm going to add that garlic in with some salt and pepper. I like to flavor and season along the way to build the flavors as we go. And you could either do the process that I did here where I cut it into small pieces and julienned it. I think that's how you would say it. I know you can buy these already cut in like a little matchbox style. That would probably be a whole lot easier, but I didn't have those today, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to julienne or matchbox cut my carrots myself. Add in that vegetable broth. And here I'm going to go ahead and start the cream part of this dish. What that is I already have some tofu in there. I'm going to add some nutritional yeast and milk, and I'm going to blend that up until it's smooth. And I do have to stick that I'm not sure what that's called, down in there just to get it moving around a bit because it wasn't blending together very well. Turn that up, get it blended up really nice, and then I'm going to add that cream into the broth, the broth, onion, celery mixture. I'm going to I'm still tired. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and mix that together, continue cutting up the carrots and get those in. Mix that in. And I'm going to start cutting up the potatoes into small bite-sized pieces and getting those in. I'm going to go ahead and get these broccoli pieces cut down also into bite-sized pieces and get those going. Hopefully everything turns out to be well cooked at the same time, where the potatoes are not too mushy and the broccoli's overcooked. Spoiler alert, it turned out great. So that's always a good thing. Mix those together. Let it get cooking in. And I'm going to go ahead and add in some more black pepper, more salt. I'm also adding in nutmeg. And what else did I add in there? Carrot. Turmeric. That was the other one that I was missing. I was missing turmeric. I decided that it didn't look like it would feed us all, so I added another potato. I'm going to get that covered and cooking up. And I'm going to simmer that on low for about 13 to 15 minutes. And then it's done. And it turned out really good. Everybody loved it, and it was a big hit. So maybe if you make it, let me know. What would you add, if anything? There was a note on the end of the recipe that I looked at and that we've tried before is to add some lemon juice at the end and salt and pepper to each bowl, but we didn't actually do that this night, and it was still really good. Even my husband, who doesn't love soup, he likes it okay, but anyways, he actually really liked it. It turned out really good. The whole family enjoyed. Let me know if you make it. Oh, I did top it also with some green onions. We had a few. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. I hope you're doing great. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll catch up with you soon.